Okay, row 1, chain 6, starting in the second chain from the hook, we're going to single crochet 5, I'm going to put a stitch marker in my first single crochet for later. Then I'm going to chain 3 and turn. Row 2, starting in the second chain from the hook, slip stitch, single crochet. We're going to work on the other side of the starting chain, and we're going to single crochet 3, okay, so that's at the end of row 2. Chain 1 and turn. Row 3, we're going to single crochet 2, so I'm turning my work. I'm going to chain 2 and turn again. Row 4, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet, and then we're going to do this special decrease starting in the next stitch and then going down to this unworked chain down below. So that's what that looks like. And I'm going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet, chain 2, and turn, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, okay, this is row 6 now. I'm going to decrease in the single crochet right here and the unworked chain down below. So that's what it looks like at the end of row 6. Sorry. Okay, row 7. We're going to increase in our first single crochet made, so it's what my stitch marker is in over here. Single crochet and a half double crochet. Chain 2, and turn. So we're going to slip stitch in the second chain from our hook, Then we're going to continue working down this edge of the wing, so in the same direction that we've been going, and we're going to half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet again, and slip stitch. Okay, and that's it for a wing. Point up top, 2 points down here. We attach to the body over here where our tail is.